Hi everyone, my name is Christy, and I am so relieved because my January 2020 IPSY Glam Bag Plus just got here, and this was actually mis-shipped, so I guess they delivered it to the wrong place, and I was worried I wasn't going to get it, but luckily I did get it, just a little bit delayed, and I'm so happy because so far I think that the IPSY Plus boxes have been my favorite. This and BoxyCharm, especially this past month. I already unboxed my January 2020 IPSY Glam Bag Regular and my Glam Bag Ultimate. I did both unboxings in one video, so if you haven't seen that video, I will have that in the description down below. I also already got my BoxyCharm box for the month, and it was so good. So I'm really interested, maybe next month, let me know in the comments down below if you would be interested in seeing this, but I kind of want to do a comparison of the IPSY Plus to the BoxyCharm box because they're both $25 and I really love both of them, and it would be really interesting to see like which one was actually my favorite. So I'm going to plan for that for the month of February. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that. You'll also want to make sure you're subscribed because if you're not already aware, I try out a new makeup product every day on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to be doing full dedicated product review videos on all of the makeup products that I get from IPSY and BoxyCharm. And then after I've tried out all of my products from IPSY, I'm going to do a full face makeup tutorial using all of my January 2020 IPSY products. And I love doing those videos. I love doing these unboxing videos. So this just makes me so happy. So let's find out what I got. So this is a monthly beauty subscription box. Like I said, it retails for $25. And so let's see. Oh, I did get a card. Is there? Yes. There is product information on it. I have already gotten 2 cards in the last 2 months from IPSY between my 6 boxes that I've gotten in the past 2 months, because I get 3 boxes a month, of cards that didn't have product information. So now I'm really worried that I'm gonna get my boxes without product information. So okay, at least I did get product information. I didn't look at it because I like to be surprised at what's in here. But the theme is clean slate, which I'm really feeling a clean slate for 2020, really trying to go after those goals. So let me pull out. Oh yes, okay, that's funny. The first product I pulled out is actually the product that I chose because IPSY lets you choose one product for each of your glam bags. And this here is the $1 Billion Brows Kit. And this is a kit that I had seen as an option in past months, and I kept hoping that I would get it, and I never did. So then I was able to choose it this month, and I'm so excited because it comes with 4 products. So let's check this out. $1 Billion Brows Best Sellers Kit, retail value of $42. So you get a flat brush, a brow duo pencil with concealer and highlighter, so like a double-ended brow gel, I need brow gel, and a brow pencil with a spoolie on the end. Oh, perfect. I am obsessed with brow products and filling in my brows, and I had been on the search for some new brow products. I did just find an amazing brow pencil from the brand Most Story that is so great for only $4.99. So if you haven't seen that video on that amazing brow pencil, I will have that video linked down below. But I chose this as my product before I had tried out that Most Story brow pencil. But I go through brow products so quickly since I'm always filling in my brows. So I'm really excited to have this. Next up, ooh, I don't recognize this brand, Nor's Skin Meditation Gel Cream. Skin Meditation Hydrating Gel Cream. Nor's Skin Meditation Gel Cream, retail value of $36. It says this is supposed to like soothe hormonal skin. cooling peppermint oil, hydrating hyaluronic acid. I love hyaluronic acid. So this will be moisturizing. I'm a little like unclear on what the benefits of this is supposed to be. It looks like it's just like your daily serum to apply in the morning. I'll try it out, but it doesn't say that it's supposed to like help with redness or acne or aging or anything like that. It just kind of says it's like soothing. So, okay. Next up, oh, my glam bag. I forgot about this thing. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so cute. And I love that it has this little handle. Like this could totally be a little handbag for me. And it probably will be because this is a great size. Like I can fit my cell phone, I can fit my EpiPens for my peanut allergy in here. And it's so cute. It's pink, it's got pink lining, and I love the white marble. Love it, and it doesn't say like IPSY anywhere on it, so I am totally going to use this as a handbag. So cute. Love that. I really love the marble design, so I'm really hopeful about these IPSY makeup bags. I feel like they have gotten really cute, and like the Glam Bag Ultimates have been changing up their design, so I'm really excited to see what IPSY continues coming out with for their makeup bags. Oh, okay. This product, this is the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions eyeshadow palette. I'm so happy I got this. This was one of the products that I almost chose as my one product to choose. And I was like, fingers crossed that they'll still give it to me. And they did, because I need to get this out of here so I can show you how this is the most beautiful palette. Retail value of $27. Is this not gorgeous? Just looking at this makes my eyes happy. It's so pretty, and like I'm wearing all like this color scheme today with like my maroon sweater dress and like the pinks and my scarf. Like these are the colors that I love. I can't wait to play with this. And I don't really have like a purple eyeshadow palette or a specific kind of purple shade of eyeshadow that I reach for all the time. So I think I'll actually get really good use out of this because I have green eyes, and they say that purple is complementing to green eyes. So yay. Oh, this is so beautiful. And I love Huda Beauty eyeshadows and Huda Beauty products in general. So this is so, so exciting to me. And then I have one more or two more products. Oh, two more products. Ooh, Nature's Cartel. That brand kind of sounds familiar, but I don't know for sure. Cute packaging though. You've got some cheetah leopard print on it, and it's lipstick. Nature's Cartel lipstick in Gin and Platonic. Retail value of $15. Ooh, I love lipstick. Wow, really cute, unique packaging. Ooh, looks like a nice like brick red shade. I love those types of lipsticks. Yay, I don't think I've tried anything out from this brand, and so I love trying out new brands because of IPSY. So this is really exciting. And then the last product in here, Sugar. Wait, I'm pretty sure I got a Sugar eyeliner in my Glam Bag Ultimate, but I think I got a eyeliner pencil that was like a sparkly black. But this one is a Wingman Waterproof Micro Liner in shade I'll Be Black. Retail value of $11.99. So from Sugar Cosmetics, which is a brand that I'd never heard of before, I got 2 products in the month of January. All right. Wow, so that is everything I got. I feel like I'm a little bit spoiled because I'm like, nothing in this is super, super like high price point. I think my past few boxes I've gotten products that were like really expensive that I wouldn't purchase on my own, but pretty much everything in here is like price ranges that I would purchase on my own. but still the value is way above the $25 that I paid for this box. But so let me do a quick recap. I think this is a really great box. So I'm really excited about this makeup bag. I think this is the best makeup bag that I've gotten so far. I just love that I can use it as like a purse and it's like my style. And then I got the Sugar Liquid Eyeliner, the Huda Beauty Amethyst eyeshadow palette. Oh, this is like a star product to me. The Nature's Cartel lipstick, the, what is it? Billion Dollar Brows Best Sellers kit, and the Nore's Skin Meditation Gel Cream. This, I feel like, if I'm being honest, is like a really, really awesome box, but I feel like it's not the best box I've received so far, just because another liquid eyeliner, I feel like I just got liquid eyeliners last time, and since I already got an eyeliner from this same brand, this is a product I would have kind of liked something other than. And the Skin Meditation Gel Cream. I don't really have much use or desire for this when I've received way better and more expensive serums that I'm still working on from IPSY. So these two products, I feel like I would have liked to switch out. That would be a really great option. Actually, if IPSY gave you the ability to choose one of your products, but to also switch out one of your products if you chose to. Maybe that's something they could start doing. But these other 4 products, including the makeup bag, I am so excited about. So I feel like that really makes the box for me. But if you got your IPSY Glam Bag Plus box, I would love to hear in the comments down below what you got. And as always, if you've tried any of these products, I would love to hear your thoughts on them in the comments down below, because a lot of times you all tell me in the comments about the products and it makes me so much more excited to try them out. So maybe those 2 products that I just called out that I wasn't like super excited about, if you let me know that you really like them, that'll definitely make me feel better and more excited to try them out. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you in my next video.